If you're looking for a way to keep your private tasks actually private in ClickUp, you're going to love the new personal list feature that just launched for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use your personal list in ClickUp and keep your own tasks organized and truly confidential, so you can balance work tasks with personal reminders, all in one spot. So let's dive in. First, a quick explanation. What is * a personal list? In previous versions of ClickUp, if you wanted a space for your own to-dos that no one else could see, a grocery list, personal goals, or things you just want to track, you'd have to manually create a separate personal list. It involved fiddling around with permissions, making sure nobody else accidentally saw your tasks, and if we're honest, a little bit of confusion. The new update makes all of that way easier. The personal list is now seamlessly built into your My Tasks area on ClickUp, which means your private tasks automatically stay private. Let's get started with the actual steps. First, log into your ClickUp account. If you haven't logged in a while, don't worry, the layout will look familiar but with some fresh touches for the new year. Once you're in, navigate over to your home screen. You can do this by clicking on Home in the sidebar. That's where everything central lives, the projects you're part of, the notifications, and of course your personal tasks. Now look for My Tasks. This is your own dashboard of assignments, both those shared with others and the ones just for you. Click into My Tasks, and you'll notice something new and pretty cool. There's a dedicated personal list right there at the top. No need to create anything, no setups or toggling permissions. The personal list is now automatically available for every user. Why is this so useful? Imagine you've got a few personal reminders that you really don't want popping up on the team's radar. Maybe it's booking a dentist appointment, planning your upcoming vacation, or jotting down your New Year's resolutions. The personal list acts like a digital notebook that is just for you, hidden from everyone else. Anything you add here won't show up anywhere except your account. To add a task, it's as easy as clicking into the personal list and typing what you need. For example, you might add pick up birthday gift for mom or read next chapter of that business book. You can set due dates, add notes, even attach files, just like you would for any team task, but it's all private. This is great if you're managing a blend of work and life tasks and want to keep things tidy, yet separate from company-wide lists. And that's really all there is to it. The update streamlines the process so you can focus on the tasks themselves rather than on settings and workarounds. Adding private notes has never been simpler, and it's perfect for freelancers, busy parents, or just anyone who wants a little extra privacy inside their productivity app. If some parts feel new or you're not seeing your personal list right away, give it a moment. Sometimes updates roll out gradually, or you might need to refresh the page. And don't stress, ClickUp's support articles can help if something looks off. So there you have it, a super quick and easy way to manage private tasks in ClickUp using the personal list. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and share your questions or tips in the comment section below. I read every one and love hearing how you're using these features. And if you'd like more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe for weekly updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.